Greetings to you, dear clients and subscribers. This is Ison. In this video, we will review the hybrid 32-channel video recorder, which supports operation with HD cameras, CVI cameras, TVI cameras, old analog cameras, and IP cameras. That is, it has different operating modes. This model of the recorder has been produced by Ison for over 10 years. It is updated periodically every 3 to 4 years, and we have the 2023 update for review. Externally, it changes slightly. The casing changes a bit. The specifications also remain more or less the same. The main change is the processor. The processor improves for the same price. That is, the quality and durability of the equipment becomes slightly better. Another significant change that occurred in this update is that this video recorder now supports AOC technology. This technology allows audio to be transmitted over coaxial cable. That is, if you purchase surveillance cameras with a built-in microphone using AOC technology and you have a cable that supports this technology, you can connect cameras with a built-in microphone here without additional cables or power supplies. On the back side, we see 32 analog inputs, which are BNC connectors. Here we also see 16 inputs for analog microphones, a microphone output connector, and a VGA connector for connecting to old analog monitors. I recommend always connecting the video via HDMI. The quality will be better that way. The RG45 connector is for connecting the recorder to a network or the internet. The power connector and USB connector are for connecting a mouse or a flash drive to transfer information. On the front panel, we can see all the control options with buttons, as well as all the signaling options for everything. Here we also see the control buttons and the power button. The video recorder package traditionally includes its power supply with a plug, a control mouse, and instructions. The recorder supports 2 hard drives of up to 10 terabytes each. Thus, the total archive can be up to 20 terabytes. People often ask how to estimate how long this archive will last, and how to choose their archive. It all depends on the cameras you plan to connect. The recorder supports up to 32 HD cameras, up to 5 megapixels. The same number of cameras can be connected if you use the IP standard, but there it is up to 8 megapixels. A rough figure for calculation is that one 5 megapixel camera consumes about 1.5 gigabytes per hour. You can record continuously or record based on motion detection. For example, if you record based on motion detection and there is no movement at night, the consumption on the hard drive will be at least half. Based on this, you can start estimating the calculation for the cameras you are connecting. If you have any questions about this video recorder, our toll-free phone number is 800-543-55. You can also ask questions in the chat on our website isoncom.ru. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our groups on VKontakte and Odnoklassniki to not miss new videos.